Angelo. Yeah, you keep saying that, man. Maybe one day we shall see. Fred, what up, what up? Another day, another dollar, gentlemen. I am tired. I will say that. I'm excited for the end of the week. It's the last day here at the hotel, but I have to shoot on Saturday. I really don't like working on Saturdays, but a client has a celebration party for their business, their 2-year anniversary of their business, so got to be out there for content, get free tacos, and have a good time and shoot content. I guess it's not that rough. Living room, good morning. What's up, brother? How's the weather out there in the UK, my friend? End of the week, that's right. That's right. I'll give you guys a little POV. So this has been my trading desk. This is the hotel. There you go. You know, if you think about it, it's actually pretty crazy. Like, trading is actually like crazy because I'm at a hotel. Like, imagine being able to travel to another country, just managing the time in your sleep and showing up to the markets to make money. Actually, just crazy. It's awful, mate. Very gray and depressing as usual. Oh no, is it like that in the UK? I don't know. I didn't know it was like that. Well, you got to move to Arizona, man. Move out here. It's sunny most of the year, and then it's like extremely hot, 120 degrees. I don't know what that is in Celsius. -48 degrees Celsius here in Arizona at the worst. So, but yeah, UK, I didn't know it was rainy like that. The freedom to be anywhere and make money now. That's it, bro. That's it. That's it. Well, I took the payout on these extra little funded accounts, Extra Express, and I still have this one. And we're here. We're showing up. Sleepwalker, what's up, good? Oh, what's up, good? Yo, what's up, good, Sleepwalker? What's up, man? It's like that every day until summer, man. And yeah, that's the dream, but I can't wait to move. The dream is Florida. Over here, it's gray, cloudy, and raining about 9 months of the year. That's crazy. I didn't know it was like that, man. That's actually crazy. Florida's great. You're gonna love Florida. You got Disney World. You know, maybe move to Orlando, get your Disney annual passes like we had, and go to Disney every day. Not me. But let's just quickly go over the charts together here and get the day started. Seeing you living room. Yeah, Fred likes to go to Florida too because we're always talking about Disney. See you then, G. Good morning, bro. What's up? What's up, Dylan? I almost called you DJ for some reason because it says Dylan J Trades. What's up, Dylan? You up there this weekend? No. Today's my last day. I've been here since Tuesday, so I didn't have a chance to hit the jacuzzi. I'm gonna try doing that today before I leave. We have a late checkout at 4. I gotta go shoot content in Prescott, and then I'm gonna come back up here, and I'm gonna sit in the jacuzzi for like an hour before I leave. Let me get some orange juice. Hold on, let me get some orange juice. Hey, double fisting it today. Got myself some water and some cranberry orange juice. You've been to Universal 6 times? Best place on earth, happiest I've ever been. Oh yeah, your logo is Universal. My wife and I love Universal, dude. She loves Harry Potter World. Heading up to go snowboarding today. Dude, hit it. Oh, that's right. It's gonna be snowing up here too in Sedona. Have fun, dude. Have fun. Snow in Arizona, yeah. If you drive 3 hours north, you hit Flagstaff. You just hit snow, bro. I wish you only had to drive 3 hours to go to the beach, so you can have like everything. We go to Walt Disney World usually twice a year. Man, you guys are making me sad, bro. I miss Florida. Yeah, making me sad. All right, really quick, just gonna draw this out here for us. All right, so we're gonna draw this, our supply and demand zones. Bada bing, bada boom. That's a demand. Here's a supply. Technically, there's a supply zone right here, but just drawing that candle out. We zoom down to the 5-minute NQ and broke structure here, broke higher. So potentially could be looking at longs in this 5-minute demand. Potentially. So that's an NQ trade. Let me check news really quick because I don't want to forget that. In 3 minutes, we have Canadian red folder news, retail sales, and then Michigan consumer sentiment in an hour and 33 minutes. All right. Set our alerts on NQ, see what's going to happen there. Now we're looking at gold. Gold is about to be at 5,000. I mean, with it being so close, I feel like it's going to hit 5,000. It could be today. It literally could be today. So, shorting gold could be pretty dangerous today. If we do take a short on gold, it would be a very quick in and out, last swing low, get out of the trade. Because of how strong it's been running. So let's draw out our supply and demand zones. We got a demand here, and it looks like gold is tapping this 5-minute demand right here, and looks like it might want to push to make the next leg higher. which is very possible. So we got a higher high, a lower high, lower low. And instead of making a lower high and a lower low, we change structure. This is actually a pretty good setup that we're looking at right now. And we're bouncing off that supply or that demand. Let's see what happens with Canadian news drops. But I like the longs. If there were no news, I'd be taking this right now because we're just following the trend at this point. Boom, 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 boom. So right now, as of right now, risky buys on NQ. It wouldn't be a crazy run up, but there's some potential on NQ to go long. Don't forget to hit the like. Shout out to Fred, always calling it out. When we get back to the office and we do the short lives, obviously it's much better. You get more attention, but it's all good. This is more for me, honestly, to document what I'm doing. So, and then I have Fred, my video editor, doing trade recaps. We already edited a few of those. Once I get back to the office, I'll post those. I'm tired today. Hard to get up this morning. I feel you, man. I feel you. Well, I don't have kids, so I don't know what that's like. I blew up the eval last night trying to pass it, just so you guys know. So I bought another one because it's a freaking eval. Freaking evals, man. Evals. I need to just realize that if I just take the same trades that I take off the eval, I'd be good. You know what I mean? Darn, I missed a play at 7 my time. It happens, brother. This one was a good play on gold right here. 5-minute demand. Tapped into it and turned long. But it's running without us, and that's all good. All right, NQ's looking good long. If it comes to reject and bounce off of this area, I'll take it long. Yo, bro, swing one of those evals if possible. Like, swing trade it. Can't with TopStep. All trades have to be closed by the end of the day, unfortunately. No. That gold long looks so good. All right, well, NQ's breaking. I was hoping to get in short or get in long here, but it doesn't look like we're going to get that opportunity. was looking to go long down here. Like swing one to me. Oh, I see. Hey, maybe we just do a giveaway with the small amount of people here, and the chances are much higher. You know what I mean? Chances will be much higher with there only being like 10 people at a time. Everybody's waking up. All these people in this hotel are just waking up. They're opening their eyes and they're grabbing their breakfast. They're grabbing their little omelets. Actually, it sounds pretty good right now. I might grab one here shortly. Alright, so if the Wi-Fi ends up getting bad, guys, I'm going to switch to the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. If the Wi-Fi starts getting cut off, then that's where I'm switching over to. Espresso back at it like a crack addict. Exactly. Exactly, that's the truth. Alright, well, gold is leaving without us. I'm traveling, yeah, I'm at a hotel right now. Just 2 hours away from where I live. It was my birthday on Wednesday, so I took my wife out. And unfortunately, she just got sick again, and I'm feeling it too, so she's not feeling well. Makes me sad. This is just on the combine, guys. Sorry to hear. Wishing speedy recovery. Thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah, same here. Praying she heals up quickly and she can get back to her normal self. It's so sad seeing her that way, but yeah, we head home today, so. I was trying to get Dylan yesterday. If you ever get a gaming PC for you, I was trying to convince Dylan yesterday. If you ever get a gaming PC for you, Dylan, I play Phasmophobia in VR. I've never heard of it. I have to check that out. Well, the market moving indecisive. Gold dropped back down. Order filled. Oh yeah, it did. We're in on NQ. just the eval. So if this is the true 5-minute demand that it's bouncing off of, I like the longs. So I'd want to see this trend line hold, and I might enter in on the eval or the express accounts. So gold did drop back down. It's getting chopped up here. So we shall see. I'm going to enter in half my size at the break of this candle.
Order filled.
All right, we are in. Got lots of room since I'm only in half my size. So risk the normal amount, which is around 200 bucks, 250. I mean, I could even push it to 250 here. That means this is going to be around 400 bucks on this move. If we get the rip higher, there. Does gold and NQ correlate? No, it doesn't. I used to think that, and I got caught thinking it did, and was like really confusing myself. And now I don't look at it that way. Like right now, you're like, oh yeah, it's going up, and gold's going down. NQ's going up, and gold's going down. And I used to think the same thing, but no. At the break of this 5-minute candle here, I'm going to take it my last size. Would like to see the push up. Got to see the break first.
Order filled.
All right, we are in. Gonna lower my stops to the same amount. We really didn't get the break. We need to see this break above this 5-minute candle for a strong push higher. Reason I entered in is because I'm suspecting that this is the true 5-minute demand, not this, and I don't want to miss out if it is the true 5-minute demand. So we entered in on this 5-minute demand. We have the break of structure that happened way earlier in the evening, or yeah, while we were sleeping, and then we're entering in the 5-minute demand, and then with the added confluence of break of the trend line. So a few things playing at our hand, but we're still in grave danger. We're not in the clear. On TradingView, we want to see this 13 EMA. We want to see this 5-minute candle close on this 13 EMA, which would give us more confidence that we're in the safe zone. Why did you place your SL there? Mind sharing, sir? I'm actually just going based off the dollar amount. I'm trying to manage my risk first. If I put it down here, I'm risking $382, and I'm not wanting to lose that much. I'd rather lose the 250 and then re-enter in if I need to. So my stop losses aren't based off of like areas. Like if I do it below this last swing low, that's $392, and I don't want to risk that much. I'd rather lose the 250 and then re-enter in if I want to re-enter in. Trying to add into the trade going up if we go up. To curb the feeling of trying to add in while going down. So, looks like we're going to get stopped out on this one. Had to take the crack at it because I didn't want to miss out on the move if that was the true 5-minute demand.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped out on that, which is all good. So it basically held this trend line. Or sorry, it didn't. It held the 13 EMA and is pushing lower. So then this may be true 5-minute demand.
Order filled.
So to reiterate, I entered in long here in case that this was the 5-minute demand with the trend line break because I didn't want to miss out on the move. Now that it's coming back down, I'll take a second stab here at this 5-minute demand. Gold ripping higher, very nice. All right, so it looks like it might hold. if the 5-minute demand holds, I want to be in the trade. So I'd want to see it break above here, 59275. Are you Filipino? Yes, I am. We have 27 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Yep. Struggling. Depends on what this next 5-minute candle wants to do. If it rips higher, then I want to be in the trade. Okay, very nice, which is why we are waiting for that break. Very nice, very nice. So we're breaking lower, and we'll take this opportunity here if it comes down there. Why don't you let all your express accounts follow? Why just one? The amounts are different right now. So these are at around 4,000, and then the other two at 2 grand. So once I get if Lord willing, I get a payout on this one, I'll get the 2,000 down. So all of them will be at 2,000, and then I'll copy trade together. Is this gonna hold? Yeah, I guess it will. If it does hold, I'm gonna enter long here in the break of the 5-minute candles. On the evals, I'll take it here. Okay. Well, highs are not valid there, which is cool.
Order filled.
All right, we're going to give this a stab long. Yeah, I showed everybody earlier. Just a hotel, you know. Might take 2 quick losses today, guys. No, I'm not alone here.
Order filled.
I miss the music, keeps me chill. I know, me too. Once I get back to the hotel, or my office, it'll be better. Papa Bear, good morning, good morning.
Order filled.
Just added a contract. All right, well, coming down, see if this 5-minute candle can hold. If it can't, looks like we're cooked. but valid setup and totally fine with the 2 losses if we get one. If this holds, 1 minute left. We'd want to see the buyers hold here. If it doesn't hold, then might be just pushing lower. Yeah, we're about to hit top of the hour. 1 hour candle about to close.
Order filled.
Doesn't look like it's gonna hold.
Order filled.
Okay. Now we're really going to be patient because this could just be continuing selling off and and then we wait for the next setup. But very happy with both of those losses because I was very opportunistic in what I was looking at and making sure that I'm on the right mind frame of what I'm looking for because we had the break of structure, we had everything we were looking for. Totally good with those losses. And that's the risk you take whenever you add into the trades. If this does break the trend line, maybe we take it one more, but I don't want to get caught in a downward trend.
Order filled.
Gosh, we're back in. We're back in. I FOMO'd in because I didn't want to miss out on this move if it happens. You know what I mean? Uh, uh, that was not good. That was not good. Should have waited for the close. FOMO'd in on this candle. Should have waited for the 1 minute to close, but I didn't. I wrote a note to myself once I finished putting it together. I'll share it with you so you can read and share your thoughts. 100%. Send it over, brother. I can't get this phlegm out of my throat. Then Maddie, good morning, brother.
Order filled.
We're not in the clear yet, guys. We're not in the clear yet. Actually, this candle body close can be break even. And then we want to aim for top of this range. Alright guys, we're not in the clear. We're still at risk. We got chopped up. I was adding to the trade, which is normal. So my stops get tighter. We really want to see a push into the 13 EMA one last time, see if it holds. That's pretty important for us.
Order filled. Order filled.
I suppose we're struggling because we're on the 13 EMA. Yeah, we're pushing on it. So our stops are below this 5-minute candle. That's pretty much as far as I want to go. So don't want to risk any more than this 5-minute candle. Not looking good. Buyers sleeping now? Yeah. That's what it seems like. They're all asleep right now. Cooked. Cooked. Everybody cooked. Cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked.
Order filled.
All right. All right. There you go. GG's, everybody. I actually am very happy with the trade because it is a valid setup. It is correct, and we're just not getting that follow through that I was looking for, and sellers just step in. So now, market's about to open, and like I've told you guys before, I've been down quite a bit, but that's why I manage my risk, and one trade we can make it back and be break even, right? So I'm going to stay patient now that we look like we're choosing a direction, and yeah, that's it. 2 times failed breakouts, and I've been here before. If you look at my journal, my handwriting's really messy, but in the middle there it shows stopped out twice, no continuation, and this is the no added confirmation, I should say, where it just continues lower, and that's part of it. That is part of it. Now, for us to take this during the New York session, I'd want to see this high broken, close above, and then wait for a demand area. I follow purely for attitude. Attitude's everything, and you're killing. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Definitely not easy, you know. Like, I can tell that, like, I can't be on tilt right now because I know that I was taking a valid setup. If I was, like, just willy-nilly guessing, then I'd be a little frustrated and probably go on tilt and revenge trade. But no, this was valid setup. Had multiple opportunities. Yesterday's trade, we had two wrong trades, and then we had a winner. So I think it's just badass sell placement. It's just my opinion. Yeah, it could be. Everyone's risk parameters are different. You could just place you can set your stops below here. You know, it depends on how you want to manage your risk. Like, if you enter it in here, you could put your stops below here, which is great. But then, you know, when you add into a trade, your risk is much higher. Like, if you're risking $250 here, and then you add into the trade up here, now you're risking 500, and I don't want to be risking 500, which is the frustrating part. But yes, you're right. If I were to enter in full size, 10 contracts, put my stops below here, and don't add into a trade, then I can see that. But I want to add into the trade. And I have said that to myself, maybe the stops are too tight. But the thing is then I won't add into a trade. But I want to be the trader that adds into a trade, into a winning trade. Just have to catch that wave, you know what I mean? But, you know, I've been down before, been in red before, and totally fine. On the combine, we're still in it. Thanks for sharing your strategy process. Of course, man. Of course. Everybody's got different risk parameters. Everybody has different strategies as far as, like, being in a trade, right? Some people just enter in full size and put their stops at the low and call it a day. Some people add into a trade and keep their risk the same. But if I kept adding in the trade and kept my stops down here, I'd be risking like $700 in that one trade, which ends up being the same amount that I'm risking right now, right? I'd rather just enter in again. Market open in 12 minutes. Thank you, sir. It looks like we got stopped out. Pushing back up. But market is just opening, so we're just going to be patient and wait for this break. So if we're looking at this here, we got higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potentially lower high, and then a potential lower low. What we'd like to see now that price has developed is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a break of this lower high, and then enter in long. But is it frustrating that right now it's still in the trade? Yeah. My stops were just too tight on that 5-minute candle. Got wicked out, and part of the game. Part of the game. and I don't want to FOMO in right now. I've done that before. Just FOMO in. It's like market order in, screw it. I think we all know what that feeling is. Like, screw it. It's like, screw it. Like, screw it. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm just going to hit buy. And if it works out, that is the worst thing that can happen, because now you're just emotionally gambling. I'm gonna get me some eggs. Be right back. Do you think the flash sale PMI news for USD will cause any aggressiveness for gold? That's over my head, brother. It's above my pay grade. No, sir. Loser. Losing trade. Technically, we're still in on the eval. Still in. The trade idea is still not wrong, but my entries are so tight and I add into trades that I get stopped out. So it is what it is, man, you know? Me too. I like it long too, but I'm gonna wait for market to open and have another opportunity. I don't know if I should stay in with market open. Oh yeah, I mean, you never know. It could rip long, you know what I mean? Exactly, yeah. Like, market open's so volatile that if you're in the move at market open and it works out in your favor, like, bro, like, good for you. You're gonna rip it. All right, 5 minutes left to market open. Gonna clean up the charts here. I gotta remember and tell myself that shorting gold is not the. I mean, it's not that it's not smart. It's that I can't look for big moves. So I gotta take what's given to me on gold. I'd rather be on buys right now. And if I were to go on a buy, it would be down here. Which I kind of like that buy on gold. Oh, let's go, Fred. Fred's chilling right now. So if you're still in that trade, it's not that we were wrong. So the trade direction's correct, but my entries are just so tight. I just don't want to risk more than 270, 250 bucks each, right? So I don't know about chilling, but I'm breathing. That's funny. If we get a close above this blue line, these 5-minute body candles, we close above it, it's going to be strong valid longs. And then also we'll be above the 13 EMA, which is going to be good for you. If we get the break above and a 5-minute candle closure above, guys, I'll be looking for longs somewhere over here if it happens. I'm just waiting for market to liquidate 5-minute lower low. 5-minute lower low here. And then wick out. Possible, man. Possible it might come down here. It might just shoot up from here at market open. You never know. Starting to get crazy up in here. Starting to get crazy. Let's see if TopStep is behind. Nope, they're in sync. No previous lower low here. 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 You're talking about price coming all the way down here? I see. I mean, potentially. It might not do that today. It might happen later in the future. You never know. You know what I mean? We got caught in the chop, everybody. We got caught in the chop. I've been learning if your stop placement is too far, that it makes you uncomfortable, that trade is invalid, and you just have to wait for the next setup. It's true. It's true. You know, I might be wrong in the way I manage my risk, but so far it's working for me. But I just base it off the dollar amount. You know what I mean? 250, 300 bucks max, no more, no less. And if I get stopped out, give the opportunity to back in, right? I know, man. I like the longs too. I was gonna re-enter in, but I didn't want to FOMO into it. So we've been in the eval since over here. So since 6:50 this morning, we've been long. Okay, guys, stay tight. Market's about to open. Oops.
Order filled.
Market opens like that for funded hero. It should have, dude. It should have, but that sucks that they at market open are like that. Longs here look good on NQ, but I'm at a hotel room right now, or hotel. What up, what up? I am. I'm just work and play. My birthday was on Wednesday, so got a hotel room and took my wife out here. Yeah, sorry guys, it's loud. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Thanks. Appreciate that. Fred, what happened, dude? What happened? What happened? Are you recording on your meta glasses or recording your screen at least, or no?
Order filled.
Trying to hold for this close. Come on, man. Don't, Shaq, just leave it. Accept break even or take profit. I really am trying to see this 5-minute candle close bullish. Oh man, don't stop me out, bro. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. $23, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Goodness gracious, come on, push. Oh, Fred, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. It happens, you know. TopStep's freaking blown out before, too, for me. Really need to see this push. Really need to see this push. I'm stressed. I gotta breathe. Struggling to break out, and it's stressing me out. It is stressing me out right now. It's stressing me out. It happens, bro. It happens, man. It's all good. It's all good. Dashiki, you're right. You're right. I'm in the zone. Just gotta let it do its thing. I can't let this come back down, dude. I can't.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Well, if it goes, I want live scream in the lobby. I protected it and decided to close there. I saw someone post about the news and I completely forgot about that. Top of the hour. So thank you to whoever posted that. Will I be frustrated because it could have went higher? Yes, 100%. I will be frustrated, and that's okay. I'll be happier that we're at break even for the day, and wait till news comes out. This is dangerous price action. W. Yeah, that was a win. That was definitely a win. We managed our risk, and I sized in. Now we just stay patient and wait for the next setup. On the Express Combine account, on the NQ trade, we got the 1500 we were looking for, so pretty much done on that. And nice. Took a W on the Discord. Let's go. I could have had a W here, it looks like, but I chickened out. No, I don't want to say I chickened out. I wanted to be at break even no matter what. So you're stuck in a long 1 to 9 RR. Let's go. There you go. Ah, man, there it goes, guys. There it goes. All good, though. All good. Happy with the break even. Like we talk about, guys, risk management. You know, you're in NQ longs. Nice, bro. Yeah, I said longs in this 5-minute demand. Looks like it came down to stop out, go long, because we had to break a structure right here. Right? We had to break a structure right there. So valid longs in this area, but price action is just so crazy right now. It would have stopped me out. Tough. There goes gold. There goes gold. Oh my god. We would have been done for the day. Literally would have been done for the day. It would have hit our TP that we drawn out right here. This was $1,100, so it would have been a $500 day. But shoulda, coulda, woulda is what kills traders. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. So Dashiki. Is that who said that? Who said that? Dashiki, you're in the zone. No risk on this trade. It's all good. Dashiki, you know what? After reflecting back, you're right. I'm not even gonna lie to myself here. I had no risk on the trade. I would have lost nothing, and I let the red day. So I take back what I said. I let the red scare me and not hold into the trade. That's what happened. In all honesty. So, what do you need to remind yourself on the next trade? That's a good question. What do I need to do so I can remind myself on the next trade? I need to review my trades before I trade. So like tomorrow morning or on Monday, maybe Sunday night, I need to review this trade recording, look at what happened, look at the other ones where I've been in this position, and feel that pain. It would have been better to leave it at break even. That's the truth. Like, even if it came back to stop me out at break even and we would have been down 600 for the day, that's a much better emotional move than it is to close out. Because there he goes. It was looking back at it now, look at this 5-minute closed low. Didn't make a new lower low, tapped the 5-minute demand. Very strong bullish confluences. I just got chickened out here. How many times do I chicken out? You guys know. You guys know how many times I chicken out. Too much. But yeah, keep improving. Is the truth. That is the truth. For whatever reason, I like buys on NQ. I'm gonna enter in long. Stops below here. I'll explain here shortly. We're making higher highs and lower highs. Higher high, lower low. Higher high, lower high, higher high. So just kind of trading with the trend at the moment. So yeah. Oh my gosh, we have news. I completely forgot we have news. I forgot we had news, guys. Freaking news. Crap, I forgot we had news. The buy's valid. Higher high, lower high, higher high. So looking for the next higher high. But with news right now, I'm going to keep it tight. News is killing us. Next hourly bar bullish expansion. Yeah, I can see that. Could see that, but with news, anything can happen.
Order filled.
What a day, bro. What a day, bro. What a day. What a day. Okay, I'll talk you through this trade. Pretty straightforward on the 5 minute. Higher high, lower high. This high broke this last previous high, so we just were looking for the next continuation move higher. Simple. And it hit. Now that I've calmed down a bit, I see that I should have closed it. It was creating a higher low. Motion got me since it didn't tap me out. Learning lesson. You making money and people walk around you eating breakfast. Yes. Well done. Thank you, man. Thank you. Today was probably the roughest day that I've had in a while. That was rough. When I saw the higher low created, when I saw this higher low created, and then we saw this 5 minute candle break this last higher high, you know, I didn't think much about it. I just took the trade. You know what I mean? You just kind of take it. Top Trader Luke, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? Now that I've calmed down a bit, I can see it. Fred, I feel you, bro. You're learning, bro. We're learning. Dang, there it goes. But it's okay. I'm totally fine. I'm locked out. There's nothing I can do. W's. Let's get this video going. Breakfast time. We got W's in the chat. Good job, guys. You guys crushed it. We had 2 losing trades, 1 break even, and then 1 winner. Good job, guys. W's, guys. W's. I'll send my trade later. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I still have these other Express accounts that we could trade, so gonna stay patient and see. So I'm gonna go. Yo, news dropped. Bro, look at freaking NQ, bro. Crazy. Ooh, gold tapped that 1 hour clean. Gold tapped the 1 hour clean. Okay, hold on, everybody, hold on. Hear me out. First off, let me go to the trade copier. and clear. We want to copy 194 and 620. Okay, hear me out on MGC. This is Easy Kid. Bro, I remember you, Easy Kid. What up? What up, bro? Long time no talk. Okay. On gold, if we break below here, if we break these lows and close below, I will be looking for longs here. Guys, yeah, man, I already locked out for the day on the other Express accounts. Sorry. I'll lock out on this one. So yeah, I still have 2 other Express accounts here. So we had 2 winning trades today, guys. NQ and gold longs. It is what it is. Was it all been traveling? Been in Singapore last month, bro. What a life! I love that, bro. What you doing in Singapore? So yeah, I still have 2 other Express accounts here. So we have 2 winning trades today, guys. I see you moving them Express accounts. Yeah, man. Thanks, bro. It's been a long road, you know what I mean? Gone a few payouts, just requested one last night, and super thankful for what's being given. So, Dylan, what you sending here? Dylan's in longs on NQ. Nice. Nice. All right, well, we didn't get that breaker structure, so this isn't a valid short area. No longer looking at that. I was in Marina Bay most of the month, just chilling. Didn't trade once. Needed break. Yeah, bro, I'm feeling you right now, dude. I'm a bit stressed out from trading. I might have to take a break here. Marina Bay. I wonder where Marina Bay is. Sounds beautiful. Marina Bay in Singapore sounds like a cool spot. If you guys don't know, you can join the Discord, and Dylan's a verified trader, part of the community. He goes live on the back end. So yeah. Dylan was trying to lose and took a long an NQ. What? NQ longs are sick, bro. I mean, I wish I would have held, but I closed out. I kind of like fading in the 1 hour. Fading this 1 hour supply. So I don't know if Dylan's still in, but I might try to fade Dylan and short him. You heard me, Dylan? I might try to short you. Pretty much central. Cool. I'm sure their food is fire out there, bro. I'm sure their food is fire. What do you do? Top trader. Don't make me fade you, Dylan. Don't make me fade you. Dylan's deep in profit now. This could run even harder if these EMAs cross the 13 and the 200. If they cross over, Dylan's going to be sitting pretty. Come watch me lose. Yeah. Watch it. You're winning already, bro. I'm waiting for shorts on NQ. Shaq only been trading. I've been trading since 2020, 2019, so about 6 years. We having fun in the Discord. Dylan's trying to lose. You should join us. Okay, I will. But we got the YouTube live peeps here. There's 11 of us. I'm back in the markets now. Here with the clear mind. Nice, man. Good for you. It does take time. You know what I mean? It does take time. Singaporean food. Yeah, I think it's spicy, right? It's like a normally spicy food. Dylan, are you long? Yeah, Dylan's long. And we're at 710. Dylan's in profit. Close the trade, Dylan. Make your money, bro. This thing's gonna dump. It's fading. Okay. Alright, looks like it's coming down. I'm gonna set my alerts down here also. As of right now, there's nothing to trade for us, guys. Silver's about to hit $100. Bro, what in the world? Silver's about to break 100. This thing's gonna skyrocket past 100. Still holding that 1.9 on R. Freaking sleeper, you have freaking sleeper. You have diamond hands, bro. Where'd you get those diamond hands from? Teach me where you got those diamond hands, Silver. Alright, gold's making new higher high. Alright, nothing to play with on gold yet. There it is. Silver. Silver just broke 100. Everybody. For the first time in history, we are witnessing 100 on silver. Crazy, crazy. myself a banana and an apple. I'm liking if gold breaks below here. I'm up 2K right now. Let's go, Dylan. Let's go. There's speculation out there that silver's going to 300 plus in the near future. Possibly, man. Possibly. I can see that. I mean, gold's near 5,000. Like, we're not far. We might hit 5,000 before the end of the month, which is crazy. I blew past my consistency on my funded growth. Oh. So that's why you have to lose money. I see. With proper approach, it might be valuable. Yeah, you know, I don't want to veer looking at silver or anything else right now because it's not in my like trading scope. I mean, silver doesn't look bad. Like for instance, I would have seen a buy right here. But yeah, maybe one day I add silver to the trading. I'm short on NQ. Nice. I like shorts on NQ. I was saying that earlier. Trying to fade Dylan's move. I can't lose right now. It's terrible. You can't lose right now. It's terrible. Tell me. NQ's gonna drop. Yeah, I can see it dropping. You know, selling the news. A lot of the times the move on the news gets sold out or gets sold. So potentially I might wait for longs down here. But I definitely like shorts on gold or on NQ. Do you know if Under Hero has a consistency rule? How does that work? Actually, I don't. It depends on each one. I have to look it up again. 50%, I believe, on the step 1 evals. It's like TopStep. Can't make more than 50% of. You can't make more than 50% of the profit target. I can't wait for silver to get going. I mean, since I started holding it last year, it gave me a lot. Nice, dude. Good for you, bro. Hold that silver. Luke's in at 25,700. Nice, bro. Yeah, I was going to short with you. I wanted to short, but I'd rather wait for buys down here. So... 25,550. Very possible. Very possible. Okay, on gold, if we break below here, I will look for shorts right here. But I need to use the bathroom. Be right back.
Order filled.
Going short on NQ. Oh, I did not mean to put 10. I meant to say 5. I meant to just say 5. And I got pushed out. Dang. No follow through.
Order filled.
Well, it didn't follow through for us on the NQ shorts. Probably valid buys. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this break on gold. Dang, NQ ran. The news is holding up. Yeah, this is valid buys. I would enter long, but I'm going to watch gold. All right, so long as we have a 5-minute candle close below this, I will look for shorts here. Well, payouts are going to take longer now. Yeah, that's why I don't like consistency rules on funded side. Freaking Fred. Freaking stop, Fred. Freaking Fred. Stop, man. Oh, man. Freaking Fred. And he's ripping. Nice work, Dylan. Nice work. Valid longs. We were in down here. How sad is that? We were in down here. Super sad. Super duper sad. I shared my trade on Discord. Trade for the day, no trade yesterday, had meetings. Dang, bro. Holy cannoli. Nice trade, bro. Nice trade, Sleepwalker. That's money. Okay, guys, we're still waiting for these shorts. I know, Fred, I know, bro. It sucks to look at it, but, you know. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm going to make a shirt. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Holy cannoli, I'm going to make that shirt. Remind me to make a shirt that says shoulda, coulda, woulda. Boom. If you want to join the Discord, you can hear me complain about making money. This guy. I will in a little bit. I gotta stay a little focused here on one more setup. That's weird complaining about making money, you know, but it is what it is. I will say though, I'm seeing structure better. That's good, man. That's what it's about. Your eyes start to like be trained to see it, you know. Thanks, man. Trying to improve daily, 1% per day. 100%, man. I love that. Just 1% a day. Okay, so this isn't a valid short, guys. Not a valid short yet. Needs to break below. views in the chat. Good job, guys. You guys crushed it.
This is Tristan, Northern Easy Auto. It's 2013.
Breakfast.
This is Tristan.
Sorry, guys. I had to make sure the team uploaded, everything was good, and we are good. Thanks, man. Trying to improve daily. Nice, bro. I'll have to go. Take care. Take care, Sleepwalker. Take care. Take care. Still no valid shorts. Need to see this low broken now. For NQ, I wouldn't be shy to take longs here. My win rate is 71%. My RR is around 2.35. Today's win rate, 26%. Just waiting, just waiting. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for this low to be broken. I'm gonna take it on the express accounts. Pro NQ, are you kidding me, bro? Just a freaking nightmare we got out here. Heartbreaking. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get ready, gotta hit the road. If you like the content, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I've enjoyed trading with you guys this morning. A bit stressful, but we made it. And appreciate the support from everybody. You guys are awesome. Sincerely, trading with you guys at the hotels was pretty cool. Great experience. And I'd do it all over again. See you guys.